Now let's create one more report. Let's rename the sheet name as average daily gross profit. Now to represent this, first I will select a matrix tab, matrix table, and I will represent a product wise average daily gross profit. From product table I will select product, and from fact transaction table I will select average daily gross profit. You can see on row label it is reflecting product, and on values it is reflecting average daily gross profit. Now if you want to increase the size, you can do that. Go to the format tab, select row header, increase the size. Let's make it 12. You can also increase the size of header. Now I will apply a conditional formatting in daily gross profit to represent which is the highest value. For that I can add a condition. Just select a table, go to the filter and select conditional formatting. Select data bar. You can change the color also. Just select the table, go to the format, conditional formatting, data bar. Just below, click on advanced control. Here the options are available. Select any color, click it OK. This way you can apply a different color also. Why we have used a matrix? Because matrix see a specific number detail, and we have used a data bar with a conditional formatting to get the quick visualized impression to find out which is the highest value of total gross profit sale as per product. Now let's create our next visualization. We need to create a hierarchy. Hierarchy are multiple fields grouped together. For example, region and sales representative. The benefit of a hierarchy allow us to drag a single item to a visualization and have a single item display in multiple fields. With hierarchy, we can also drill down in visualization. Now the cluster chart is representing data as per region wise. There is an option available here. If you can click on this button, this icon, now it is enable the drill down option. Now if I select any region and click it once, it will drill down to sales representative field and show the data as per sales representative wise. If I want to drill up, I need to just click on this icon. Now the next icon, the two below arrow, if I click it once, it will show us the data as per the all the sales representative wise. Now let's drill up. Now if you click on hierarchy, it will show the data as per region wise and also as per sales representative wise. Now I want to represent this data and apply a conditional formatting. You just need to select a format and on data color apply conditional formatting. Select a rule. If the value is greater than, for example, approx 450 or less than 800, then make it this color. Okay. Now we will add a line chart to represent average gross profit as per fiscal period. Just select the line chart and drag fiscal period into x-axis level and drag average daily gross profit in value. It will create a line chart. Now we want to represent a multiple card to show total revenue and total gross profit, cost of goods sold, and percent of gross profit. For that, I just selected multiple row card and I will select total revenue, total cost of goods sold, total gross profit, and percent of gross profit from F transaction table. Now I will format it. First, I will remove the show bar. I don't want to represent. I will change the background color and I will apply. I will increase the size of category. Same for a data label. If you want to increase the size, you can do that. Now let's resize it. Our first dashboard is almost, the first report is almost ready. Now let's see how the matrix table will interact with other charts and multicards. Just select the matrix table and click on format and click on edit interaction. Now if you can see,